It was like Christmas. It was great. Hello, divas! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's Saturday. I just got back from seeing my little douchey, Mary, dance in a Nutcracker. And right before I left the house, well, I was actually walking down the stairs to go out my front door. And I opened the front door, and there were all these packages. Yeah, it was like Christmas. It was great. Yeah. So I thought, let's just do a little unboxing. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Okay, let's get into it. First, so Ipsy. Let's see what I got this month. I really don't pay a lot of attention. Like, they'll send you like, you're gonna get this. And sometimes I pay more attention than others. And I haven't really been paying attention. But I do remember that it came with this like glittery bag. So, all the sequin. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have an eyeshadow brush. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by any of these subscription boxes. I pay for them out of my own pocket. So there you go. I have some Juice Beauty Stem Cellular 2-in-1 Cleanser. That'll be fun to try. Oh, Steve Laurent. I wonder what this... I swear I need to go to the eye doctor. I don't even know what it is. Let's see if we can tell by opening the box. Lord! I swear. I'm a mess. I can't even tell. Rose gold something or other. I think it might be an eyeshadow. Or a primer. I don't know. I'll figure it out later. Yeah, I can't, whatever. Keep going. Some Catherine Natural Cosmetics eyeshadow in the color Sienna's Highlight. It's kind of pretty. Maybe it's not an eyeshadow. Maybe it's a highlight. I don't know. I have an eyeshadow from them and it looks exactly the same as the packaging. Some Orza Beauty. This is probably some kind of a gloss. Yeah, sorry. And Take Home the Bronze. This is from the Balm Cosmetics. Let's look at the color. Oliver. It's kind of pretty. Okay. And you got the little Ipsy card that comes in it. Be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. So cute. Next. Okay. Let's try this Sephora Play Box. Don't try this at home, boys and girls. If you're like me, you'll get cut or something. Anyway. Alright. I'm not sure how I feel about the plastic bag they've gone to. When I first started getting Sephora Playbox, it came with like these really cute little drawstring bags, and every month they would be a little different. It would kind of go with the theme. And now they've gone to these like almost Ziploc type bags. I mean, I know a lot of people that complain like, oh, I would rather have more products than to get the bags. The bags were kind of cute. So anyway, let's see what's in here. Some Bumble Thickening Dry Sponge Texture Spray. Oh, that would be nice to use. Christmas time, I want to put my hair in a bun. Gives me a little dirt so get some volume. Sephora Lip Cream in the color... I don't know. Number 1, I think is what it says. It's a nice, oh, oh Lord, always red. I swear, my eyes are horrible. You already can't see, it's getting worse. Whoa. Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. It's a little mascara. Let's see here. Turn. That's, I don't know if it's gonna help or not. Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to take that out of there now. My fat little fingers won't work. This is a lip liner in the color Nothing But Nude. This is Sephora brand. And the last thing in here, the Too Faced primer and primed and peachy. I'm pretty sure that smells like peaches. I will have to give that to somebody. Your girl got sick on peaches when she was like 5. I still have an aversion to them. I can't. Ugh. No. 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 Of course, Sephora Playbox always comes with something that tells you about all the products. And you get the card for 50 extra beauty, the VIB points, or Beauty Insider points. So if you go and spend $20, they give you 50 extra points when you bring in the card. They kind of guilt you into going back. That's why I have like 1,200 points. And that's why I have no money. Because I feel guilty. I'm like, oh, I don't want to lose all those points. I mean, like, they're just begging me to come in. Okay. And last, let's open the FabFitFun box. I can't even remember. They let me pick. Like, you get to pick 2 of the things that are in the box, and the rest of it, unless you want to, like, pay extra, it's all just, like, whatever. So, I don't even remember what's in there. So, it's inside the box. They give you, like, a little magazine that talks about the products. Oh, there's a $60 gift card. $20 off your first 3 deliveries plus shipping for HelloFresh. That could be fun. FabFitFun, surprise inside. Lift here. So let's see. Oh, $10 off of your first box. Oh, I guess I could give this to a friend and they can get $10 off their first box. So if you're interested, let me know and I can give you this and you get your first box for $29.99. Fun. And it is all about the presentation here. They have like the nice tissue paper that actually says FabFitFun, and they have the nice little sticker that holds it together. So let's see what is inside there. You just gotta rip it. Okay. So first we have the Anthropologie Coconut Sugar Body Cream. Wow, it looks fancy. I like the iridescent packaging. I'm not really smelling anything. Oh, because there's... Let's smell this. Hopefully it smells like the beach. Coconuts. You know, love me some beach, so. Coconutty. Oh, wow. I'll be back later. Bye. Oh. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I feel like I'm on the beach. Putting on some sunscreen. It smells like coconut. Yeah. Okay. The Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask. Intense care for dry and damaged hair. Oh, so hair mask. Dang, that's like full size, yo. Your girl likes full size products, so. There we go. Wow, I'm excited. Yay! My hair is gonna look good. Yeah. Black eye mask with hyaluronic acid. Let's see what it says on the back. Late nights, too many cheeky wine, and let's not forget those carb on carb delights. Can have whatever. I'm not gonna read all that crazy stuff. Yeah, so eye mask. Pure Cosmetics. Let's see. An eyeshadow palette. Be your selfie. Let's see here. I haven't had a new eyeshadow palette in a really long time. So, I'm excited about this. You know your girl's got her exact knife out. Let's see. Oh, nice. Got some nice colors in there. Not too crazy. Yeah. Could build some eye looks with those. Got some mattes and some shimmers. Okay. Good deal. Oh, Thrive Cosmetics. I have heard about this. It is a highlighting stick. If you follow any other YouTubers, if you follow the Taylor, she just did, actually it was yesterday, one of her Foundation Fridays, she reviewed their CC cream, but Thrive Cosmetics, and it's C-A-U-S-E, Medics, Cosmetics, they donate, for every product that's purchased, they donate a product to women in need. So that's why it's cosmetics. So I'm excited to try that highlighting stick. Okay. Some Ahava hydration cream mask. You know, I love me a mask. A good mask. Yeah. I have to get my iPhone out and yeah, so I can read that. That's what happens when you get old. Oh, we got a lip color. Oh, Bite. A Bite lipstick. And the color is meringue. Let's open this up and see what color it is. Why do they make it impossible to get these things out of these boxes? Really, people? Oh, it's a nice nude. What is this? This is Halston, but I don't know what's in here. Doggone it. Oh, I remember what it was. This is one of the things I got to pick. You can put your jewelry in it. And it keeps your jewelry like nice when you travel. So you can hang your necklaces and things in there. I will have to look. Yeah, like you can put your earrings, I think, in here. It's pretty cool. So yeah, something to keep your jewelry nice when you are traveling. And the last thing is from Mark and Graham, and this is a blanket. Like a nice throw. Who doesn't like a nice throw when you live in the chilly Midwest? Be nice to have. It's full size, but you know, on this cold nights when I'm sitting here, you can stay warm now. Anyway, yep, it's like Christmas. So that's what I have right now. If you are interested and you live close, or I have your address, I can send you the coupon code to get $10 off of your first FabFitFun box. So let me know. Now I have to put all this stuff away. And it's late. I'm tired. I'm also hungry. So yeah, I need to take care of all those things. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye.